Yeah, sanibonani wenganza kwethu gijimani ke ngalana. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, everybody's YouTube channel. So today we're speaking about the king of the Zulu nation, King Mr. Zulu, my favorite. Ubayede, udog, uqobo like. Anyway, but on a serious note, today we're speaking about King Mr. Zulu, Kazweli Thini. So we all know ukuthi just on Friday there was inkulumo yesifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal ekade ethulwa undunankulu uThami Ntuli. Kule nkulumo yesifundazwe inkulumo le eyenzakalayo every year, speaking about all the budgets and everything, and you know, so the state of the province, that's how we call it, took place this year for the first time at Woodburn eMgungundlovu, la kwenzakala khona la kudlala khona ibhola lombhoxo, right? And obviously the king of the Zulu nation was supposed to attend, or he's supposed to attend, and he did attend. So now let me give you a backstory. Remember that we reported that understand. So we reported that umshado was called off. Remember? Yes, we do umamyeni. Yes, umamyeni. Umamyeni. Umshado wakhe wagcina ungenzakalanga, and the family said no, the wedding was going to continue babezotshela ngomhla ka-12 last month, and it never happened. So the wedding was out and then was called off, and then uGaeli wamova ke yini lento ehlala khona isilo esigodlweni wasuka ke esigodlweni wahlala kwesinye isigodloke. Hayi ke ngoba yini esethole bani isincakazana esisha uMamdluli lo wasebukhosini basemdluli, ngoba esethole yena and useyena seyifiance yakhe and uGeli sehlala khona. Now what happened is isilo 2 days before the state of the province went wayolala kuMayeni, even though uMayeni engasahlali naye sebehlukene. Kanti that day ubezovuka enzenjani eze kwi state of the nation address, right, of the province. Let me read the whole story for you because basibhale kahle ku scroller, right? Kuthiwa ke isilo simshiye Dingwane encela izithupha uNdlunkulu noMzamo kaMyeni wasesigodlweni emachobeni, futhi engena moto yokumbuyisela ekhaya ngesikhathi kunenkulumo esifundazwe kaNdunankulu waseKZN uThami Ntuli. Lokhu kuthiwa kwenzeke ngoLwesihlanu ngesikhathi sekuhleliwe etendeni lezicukuthwane lesidlo sokwehlisa inkulumo kaNtuli besenkundleni yebhola lombhoxo eWoodburn eMgungundlovu. Imthombo yaseNdlunkulu ihlebele leli phephandaba ukuthi uNdlunkulu kaMyeni uhlala etafuleni lokudla ezitshela ukuthi isilo siyabuya ngemuva kokuphuma, kodwa kuze kwaphela ihora singabonwa nangokhalo. Ingonyama iphuma esidlweni yaya emotweni yayo, ifike yalinda kancane izitshela ukuthi uNdlunkulu uyalandela, kodwa yacasuka yathi uyabona ukuthi usezenza inkosi uNgamamyeni, yavele yamshiya kanjalo yathi izimoto zihambe. Obuhlungu ukuthi uNdlunkulu bengenamoto kodwa ubevele ifike naso isilo. Kuthe ngemuva kwehora isilo sihambile, safonelwa kodwa sawona sathi kade sihambile sibheke esigodlweni saso emashobeni kwaNongoma la kuhleli khona uMamdluli omusha. Umthombo kudalula ukuthi kwazanywa ke imizamo ke kucelwe uNdlunkulu waginqela izithupha, wacelela ulift ukuze bamhambise kuphe ePhongolo okuyilapho esehlala khona. Imithombo idalula ukuthi konke lokhu kwenzeke ngenxa yokuthi isilo asisayizwa kahle indaba kaMyeni, futhi sesizame nokuthi aphucwe izimoto zikahulumeni ezimbili ahlinzekele ngazo. Lezi moto bengahambi ngaso kodwa behamba ngezengonyama kusuka ngoLwesine kuvula ishamthetho, ngoba abaqaphi baso isilo basithatha bayosilalisa kuye oPhongolo ngoLwesithathu, nokwenza ukuthi sivuke nayo kuyiwe eMgungundlovu ngoLwesihlanu. Behamba ngemoto eyodwa yengonyama. Uthe ngoLwesihlanu ingonyama yazibuyela kwengoduso yayo entsha ukwamamdluli ezinze esigodlweni sasemashobeni kwaNongoma, kuchaza omunye umthombo. Abasedlunkulu bathi cha, ukusala kukaNdlunkulu ukaMyeni kubuye kwadalwa abasebenza ehhovisi lesilo elingaphansi komnyango kaNdunankulu wesifundazwe, abaphambanise uhlelo lulawula ukuthi uma ingonyama iphuma isihamba uNdlunkulu kumele abikelwe alandelwe ngemuva. UkaMyeni kuthiwa ke usesishiyile isigodlo sasemachobeni ngoba esaba ukubuyela ekhaya ngemuva kokuba isilo sihoxisa umshado wabo. Kunalokho sehlala oPhongolo lapho bekuhlala khona uNdlunkulu omdala uNtokozo kaMayisela. Nakhona uPhongolo kuthiwa isilo sizithathile ubhadi kodwa sizihlalele nengoduso yaso unkosazane Sihle Mdlulu emashobeni kwaNongoma. Ophongolo size saya ngoba sesithathwa abaqaphi ukuze silale khona bese sivukele ngudlovu emshaya mthetho. Yo, mina King Misuzulu stresses me. Oh, he stresses me. He stresses me so much. The way he stresses me, I just want to give him a call and say, Bayet. So now, the fact that Ophongolo, so I'm assuming because Phongolo is not too far, right? In the morning, good drive, you were in Maritzburg. But then again, Nonongoma is not too far because they rush by a kitchen. So why abaqaphi bethathe bamisa lapha kaMamiyeni kuthiwa kaMamiyeni uyasaba ukubuyela ekhaya, right? Because I remember family insist yathi hey thina hlangane esitshelwe yini namaphepha uyashada lo ngomhla ka12 ngonyama isahlangeneke because emkhosini womgano nalomkhosi nale meeting kade ibizwe uKing Misuzulu uSihle uyena osihlala phambili. I don't know. I just feel like I don't know what's happening with King Misuzulu. But the bottom line is on Friday, Kamamiyeni was left stranded with no car to go back Ophongolo, right? To go back le esigodlweni she had nothing. She had nothing ukuthi abuyele Ophongolo. Because King Misuzulu uhambile noyidlela kuphozelo kaNongoma wayohlala nengoduso yakhe on New Girl. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. Please, what do you think of our king? So now we don't know uzoshada nenike no girl kodwa uSihle semlobodile naye sekushoda ukuthi ke manje ke atshele thina sizwe ke hayini. Another thing that I forgot to tell you guys ukuthi uSihle unengane, the new princess of the Mdluli whatever royalty unengane yobukhosi. Let me redo the story for you guys.